Hey guys, I just wanted to give you an update of what we're going to be doing this Tuesday on the live stream if you choose to join. First of all, last week we were going to do the Stripe integration, which we started and we were unable to finish. So the first thing we're going to do is finish the Stripe implementation or whatever. Integration is a better word. Alright, so the Stripe integration. The way that works is you basically add something to your shopping cart and then you go to checkout. And you proceed with checkout, put in your information, and then you can put in your card information. Okay, and submit payment, and it'll take you to a thank you page. I'll give you some basic information, and you can continue. Now, if I look in Stripe, you can see that I can go to payments, and that payment went through right here. Also, it stores that information in the database in a transactions table. But what's really cool and what we're going to be focused on this Tuesday after we finish that up is we're going to integrate with another service by PayPal called Braintree. So this is a PayPal service, and it's a service that's pretty cool. It's pretty in line with Stripe. Probably more available in more places, I think. But basically, let me show you how easy it is to switch between Stripe and Braintree. Are you ready for this? So I'll go to my config file and I'll just change Stripe to Braintree, which is PayPal. And we'll go back here and we'll go to the website now. And let's just continue and let's add another product to our shopping cart. Now I haven't changed any other code, but let's go to checkout. And we'll see that it starts off the same in our form. And we'll continue. And then it's going to load this information here. So slightly a little bit different form, but I didn't have to change any code. And I'm going to hit submit payment, and you can see that once that's successful, it takes us to the same thank you page. And if we look then in my Braintree account, which I may have accidentally closed that. Oh no, right here. If I look in the Braintree account, the account went for it will have the successful transactions. So I'll go to transactions here and we'll hit search, and you can see my transactions here in Braintree. So anyways, I'm pretty excited about that because it allows us to basically just change between Stripe and Braintree in our config file, and then our forms interact in that way. So one more time, just go to checkout, and now you'll see that I'm back with the Stripe form, and that will submit that to Stripe. If I go to here and I change that back to Braintree, and you guys can probably guess, I'm just showing you again, but it's pretty amazing if you organize your code in this way that we started talking about last Tuesday. It makes your application work pretty seamlessly with very little code changes if you change your mind on what service you want to use. You can do this with any number of payment gateways, so once you learn how to do this with a couple, you can continue this on. And in fact, this works not just with payment gateways, but the principles work with many different concepts. So anyways, I hope to see you guys Tuesday, and we will go through this and show you how to do this. Alright, I will see you guys there.